Welcome back, guys. This is an amazing place to record and share these comments about IIT Madras. I have to speak about the insider view. This is the oasis, snow oasis, this backside of the university. So, IIT Madras, it's Indian number one institute, many people know from outside, and for people who are outside, I think I could speak up like what it is actually there for you if you are not a student, if you are not a regular scholar here. So what is there in it? So many times people think it is only for those who clear the entrance. Of course, the entrance is very tough and very difficult, but there are many other things which are meant to be not just for IIT, and there are many opportunities for outsiders to help them to learn and experience the technology or the available resources. So many people are not aware of this. So I thought speaking about that, and then I'll then speak about inside opportunity, like that may be the another sequel of this video. That is like what is there inside IIT. If you come inside IIT as a student, there are many things, even the opportunities. Many people are not aware, or some people they are aware. By the time they're graduating, almost they're finishing the course. So let me go through the information for those who are not in IIT Madras. That is IIT Madras, for the fact it may be IIT Delhi and even the bigger older IITs, all IITs are second generation IITs also. So the first thing is that there are many labs, as you all know. There are many advanced research facilities in IIT Madras, and in the IIT Madras center nowadays this research park and the center of excellence are growing after getting this Institute of Eminence status. Even in IIT Bombay it will be similar. So there are many labs, and of course, see, these labs all require people, and those people are not always, it's not possible to manage within the students community, and to my understanding, their intention is not to handle it by their students itself. That is meant to be for sharing the resources to outsiders also. For the fact, like I have been involved with my professor a couple of the projects to help him. So there it's in the proposal, in the consideration stage itself, they are saying that it has to be utilized for outsiders. It has to be given, the scope has to be there for all the people in the country, even not just the students. So they give trainings and they train people regularly, and even they give short-term coachings and the workshops and all. That is all included in this development itself completely. So what I mean, like, first thing, there could be opportunities for internships and research projects, and second thing, like I was texted in the LinkedIn recently, that how you can take the courses if you are within the reach of the IIT by requesting the faculty before the semester starts. And even some universities like Anna University and nearby universities in IIT Madras, they can get the credits also by doing some formalities or some paperwork. So that is also will be there. So you can explore that one. Additionally, what else? The internships and the credit courses taking you can take, and the facilities, like you do your work in your laboratory or your institute. There are many other institutes in India that is growing very well recently. So in your university you can do the projects, and you can come for the research facilities or the characterization facility in IIT Madras. Maybe it is difficult to get immediately, that is true, because they have to accommodate all the requests from all the people. So that is also you can utilize. So this is from outsider, like what you can do if you are not a student. So internships and research projects and experimental facilities, like there is this central sci facility nowadays that is almost, it's meant for outsiders. And even the next one, the research park. So the research park, there are many activities are designed and even being done by people around, the startups around in IIT Madras Research Park. They mean to be for the people who are outsiders most of the time. I went for a couple of workshops, including one design workshop. So there are things like always will be there in IIT Research Park also. That is also for outsiders. And then there will be these international conferences. That time it's always possible that there will be some workshops most of the times, and even the interactive sessions, networking sessions. So you're welcome to go and interact to the with speakers. Like you can request as a particular time you will come and you will interact, and you can try to talk to them, the speakers, and listen to their lectures. So that is always possible. I think this one, there are some more joint research projects, the joint student projects also. They work together with outsiders and the campus students. So there will be projects which you can work in collaboration with the IIT faculty and your faculty and even students. So that also I have seen some people are doing it. And there is always many things to take from IIT Madras, the stories from the existing universities. Like the system, they already built up everything. So you can take as a reference and then replicate it in your place as per, with minor changes maybe, replicate most of the things in your place, like the team activities or whatever. Like that I could say, like the student activities, it's very, very effective in IIT Madras. So I would say like, it is very good if somebody can understand and adopt it in normal universities also. They are doing very effectively. I have been into a couple of the teams and I have found it very effective, and they are learning the skills. They are not just doing the things, they are learning the things in a wider way, and then they are going in a more better institutes for further research, or even IIT Madras, they are continuing some people, and they are going for some, what do you call, startups and all. So there are many such opportunities. I would recommend highly that you please reconsider well. And there is some propaganda or the misconception going on. Some people I am hearing, there is this facilities are always not meant for outsiders, only IITians, something going on. Maybe that is true. I'm not trying to make the arguments here. I'm trying to give the ways that you can utilize, even though there is the challenges existed. So that's what I would like to say in this video. The next video I will be speaking about, I think here only I'll continue this place. So I will be speaking about the various opportunities inside the IIT Madras. Why you have to come to IIT Madras or other IITs, why such a competition is there. After going to such a competition, what you have to do. Most of the time the master students who are coming, they have a lot of coursework and the course schedule from normal institutes to IIT. So they held up being in the scheduled works, and they couldn't even experience most of the stuff by the time of their graduating. So let me speak about that one in next video. Check out the next video. I'll be stopping this one here.